Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. In case you are new to this channel, you might be wondering why you even clicked on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert airtime. Okay, you convert your airtime back to Momo wallet. Okay, so you are converting your airtime back to your Momo wallet. So in case you've been following our channel, or in case you've watched our previous video on how to convert airtime to your Momo wallet, you might be familiar with this method. Okay, but this method comes with a different approach. Okay, right? So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. But before that, in case you are new to this channel and you want to see more of these videos, okay, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, and in case the videos are helpful, or this one you are watching becomes helpful to you, make sure to share to your friends so that they also benefit from this video. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. So sometimes we end up mistakenly sending an amount of money, okay, when it comes to transferring airtime onto our phones, okay, where we mistakenly send an amount of money which we weren't supposed to. Okay, so let's say you are sending maybe 10 cedis airtime, and then you mistakenly send what? You add another zero, making it 100 cedis airtime. Okay, how do you reverse that, or how do you convert a portion of the money or the whole money back into your Momo account? Okay, so in case you've watched our previous video, I showed you how to do that. Okay, I will leave the link to that video in the description. Okay, so let's proceed to this approach. So that's the first approach. So getting to the end of this video, I'll show you another trick on how to bypass this approach aside the one I'm about to show you right now. Okay, right? So again, sometimes we get free airtime, okay, from our friends and loved ones. Okay, sometimes we get 100 cedis airtime, we get 500 cedis airtime, depends on what the country you are in. Okay, it could be in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, any country. Okay, and depend on your currency, you could get some amount of airtime which exceeded your expectation. Okay, so what you need to do is just convert that airtime. Okay, so sometimes you need that airtime into what? In the form of money. So you are going to look at how you can convert that airtime into what? Link, and use it to what? Proceed with this approach. Okay, so I'll leave a link to the app we'll be using in the description. So once you go to the description, you click on the link, and then you're able to register. Okay, so first let's look at how we could get or convert the airtime back into what? A Momo wallet. So you need to download this app. Not even downloading, by just clicking on the link, you'll be directed to what? To download this app. Okay, so we use our Palm Pay. So depending on the country you are in, this would be what? Either Ghana, Nigeria, or any African country, South Africa, and so on. Okay, so we open this app. So this is how it is. So first, if you are first timer, you would have to click on this me. Okay, click on the me so that you sign up. Okay, you register and then you sign up. One thing is that once you use the link in the description, you get certain bonuses in the form of money. Okay, you get, it ranges from 10 cedis upwards. It depends on what your currency. Okay, right? So let's proceed. So first things first, you sign up. After signing up with the link in the description, you move on to what? Home. Okay, so use the me to sign up. Okay, you can see that you've already signed up over here. So use the me to sign up, and then you come back to home. So now you want to convert that huge amount of airtime. I'm trying to move very, very slow when it comes to this video so that you don't miss anything. That's why I'm taking time to move step by step. Okay, so when it comes to converting that airtime, that's in case it's your own airtime or an airtime someone sent you. Okay, and then you want to convert that airtime because the airtime is huge. Okay, you can actually convert that airtime into money where it could be much useful. Okay, not just in the form of airtime. So you click on this icon. Okay, this is what? Recharge to cash. So we are converting the airtime towards cash. Okay, so click on that. Now you'll be told to insert what? The number which contains the what the airtime. Okay, so I'm using this number because this is the number containing the amount of airtime I want to convert back into my Momo wallet. Okay, so again it could be from a different number. Okay, so it could be your own number where you want to convert the airtime on your phone into your Momo account, or it could be for someone else's. Okay, so you could insert that person's number over here, okay, telephone number over here, okay, so that you can do the conversion for them. Okay, again, converting airtime sent by someone into your phone, or converting your own airtime into your Momo wallet. So click on the sell airtime. So you click on this go. Okay, click on go, right? So when you click on go, you'll be sent an OTP where you'll be allowed to do the verification. Okay, so this is the OTP. So I'll just log in and then I'll proceed. Okay, right? So after that, you'll be given the option to convert the airtime into your Momo wallet. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. This running a bit slower, but it has to pop up. Okay, so you'll be allowed to select the amount. Okay, so first let's see something right here. So you could notice that this is the same number. Okay, this is the same number. This is the number with this amount. Okay, so this is in Ghana cedis. Now one thing you have to know is that you have the option to sell maximum of 50 cedis. Okay, that's the maximum amount you can actually sell. That's the amount you could sell. So kindly pay attention to this portion of this portion of the video, because it's very, very important. You need to know 3 things. Okay, first, you can sell the maximum of 50 cedis airtime. Okay, that's the maximum, and then you can do this 3 times daily. Okay, so maybe on Monday, today is Monday, so you could sell 50 cedis, 50 cedis, 50 cedis, and that's it. That's 150 cedis. That's in case you are a Ghanaian and then you are using the Ghana cedis. Okay, so in case you are a Nigerian, equivalent of 50 cedis in the Naira currency. Okay, and in case you are South African or any other West African country. Okay, right. The second option is thing is that an amount of 10 pesos will be charged per a transaction by MTN. Okay, so MTN will deduct 10 pesos from your transaction. And then the third thing is that PalmPay usually have a 25 to 28 charge per transaction. Okay, so let's say you make a transaction or you try to convert 50 cedis. The first 50 cedis, they will have 25 to 28% charge. So depending on the amount you transfer, okay, I think when it's 50 cedis, that's where you have the maximum of 28%, and in case it's something lesser, it will be between 25 and 28%. So the first, in case you want to do it 3 times, the first 50 cedis you'll be charged an amount of 28%. The second 50 cedis 28, and the third one is 28. So that's why I initially stated that I'll give you a trick, to surpass this approach. Okay, but this is very, very important in case you want the money as quick as possible. Okay, right? In case you want the money as quick as possible, you just use this approach, because once you do the transaction, you receive your money after you receive the prompt. So the only caveat is that they have 25 to 28% charge. Okay, that's how they also benefit. Okay, so let's say I have 8 cedis and 19 pesos. Okay, on this number, right? So I want to convert 5 cedis into this airtime. Okay, note that's why you have airtime balance. All the amount you see over here is just airtime. Okay, airtime, not Momo amount. Okay, it's airtime. So we are about to convert this airtime into Momo. Hence the headline for the video, converting airtime Momo. Again, the airtime could be on your own phone or an airtime someone sent you. Okay, right? So let's proceed. So let's say I want to convert 5 cedis from this amount. Okay, so I'll just choose 5 cedis. So from here you could notice that we have to enter from 1 to 50 cedis. Okay, so I will choose 5 cedis. Okay, so after choosing the 5 cedis, you click on sell. Okay, okay. So you are told that the airtime balance should be greater than the amount you want to convert to cash. Okay, so after selecting the amount and then you click on the sell. Okay, after selecting the amount and click on sell. After clicking on sell, you'll be automatically credited with what the amount you want to convert to what your Momo wallet. So you are converting from airtime to what your Momo wallet. I don't want to convert any amount to my Momo wallet for the meantime, because I do have enough money on my Momo wallet. But once you follow this procedure till the end, that's where at this stage you have to just insert the amount. Okay, so it could be 5 cedis, it could be any amount depending on what your available airtime balance. Okay, so the amount here must be lesser than the amount over here. Okay, so this 5 cedis has to be lesser than the amount your airtime balance. Okay, so in case your airtime balance is 10 cedis, the amount over here, or the amount you insert over here, okay, the amount you want to sell has to be less than 10 cedis, so that you could be charged the 25 to 28%. Okay, now the trick I want to show you guys is that you can actually use the link in the description. Okay, the video attached to the link in the description to watch another technique of converting airtime to bundle. But that approach is not as fast as using this app. Okay, so for this app, as soon as you click on a sell, you'll be a pop-up menu will appear, so that you just receive your notification that the money has been transferred into your Momo wallet. Okay, with the deduction. Okay, but for the trick in the description, which is a video, okay, the trick in the description, which is a video, it might take a bit of time because MTN has to process the entire reversal. Okay, so that you get your money back. But most definitely you get the money back. Okay, so again, the link to that video is in the description. That's another approach, but this is also using this approach with the PalmPay app is also very, very easy. Okay, thanks for staying with me to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like the video, share to friends and families who might be in need of these techniques, in converting their airtime, huge amount of airtime into their Momo wallet. And then I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Peace.